Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to sharpen a blunt knife. You can always go with this method when you don't have a knife sharpener at home. You can sharpen your knife in just 2 minutes and it's a very easy method, so let's get started. Today I have one very blunt knife. The edges are very thick. Let's now cut a tomato and check on its sharpness. See, it's very hard to run through the tomato. Now let's go and sharpen this knife. Heat the knife in direct flame for 10 seconds. Make sure the entire blade is in contact with the fire and also make sure not to burn and change the color of the blade. Today I have taken a ceramic mug. Turn it upside down. You will have a rough outer ring like this. We're going to sharpen a knife using this. So with your knife at a 20-degree angle, slowly draw the knife down and across the mug in a smooth motion, starting at the heel and finishing at the tip. Repeat the same for the reverse side. Make sure not to go forward and backward in the same side. Repeat this process for 10 times. Now I'm done sharpening my knife, so let's go and test the sharpness of the knife. I've taken a tomato. Let's run through the tomato. The knife cuts the tomato in no time. Very sharp, and be very careful with the sharp knife. Very easy and quick method to sharpen a knife when you don't have a knife sharpener. All you need is a ceramic mug. So do try this knife sharpening trick at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.